So one person asked the question. That means basically Sunil, Raj Kapoor also basically might be exist. Rishi Kapoor also basically might be exist. But they can be male, female also basically. Because world creator basically are very dangerous basically. So one person says, how you are so 100% confident basically. That basically the world creator only basically know. That Rishi Kapoor basically converted into girl basically. Raj Kapoor basically converted into boy basically. So one person told that here basically what actually मन में समाई basically. One person basically literally asked the question. क्या मन में समाई कि you created world like this basically. क्या थी मन में basically that you created world like this. That you have given entire control to Subhash Chandra Bose basically of each and every body parts. And here basically if you are accessing any of the internet data basically, that means without American permission basically that is not possible. And local city USA software companies group basically. Without their permission basically you can't access any of the body parts. So one person told that yes basically that basically we have never thought that basically. So one person told this thing basically artificial intelligence groups are basically there. Intelligent group basically. They are bigger than FBI basically. They are bigger than FBI group basically. They have full power basically. But here one person told if they basically access anybody bodies and do the damage then basically who is going to ask? So one person told that उनके बाप का है basically everything basically. They can access anything basically. They are basically the God basically. They can give punishment to anyone basically. So one person told that basically they basically can do anything basically. They can fuck basically anyone. One person basically watch any videos basically. He gets basically trouble basically. This trouble, that trouble. But they basically can do anything. They can fuck anyone basically. So one person told this is basically the power basically. They can do anything basically. The normal person like Sunil Arnar basically searching for job. He is not getting the job basically. Why? Because I don't have power basically. If I might be having the power. So see next video.